Remember the Jetsons? Their futuristic world, once a fantasy, is now within reach. Transportation technology is changing faster than ever. Electric cars are leading the charge, but they're just the beginning. Get ready for flying cars, hyperloops, and even delivery drones. A future where getting around is faster, cleaner, and more exciting than ever before. This isn't science fiction. Companies around the world are investing billions in these technologies. The future of transportation is closer than you think, and it's going to be amazing. Imagine soaring above traffic jams, gliding effortlessly through the sky as you bypass the gridlock below. No more honking horns or endless waits at traffic lights. Instead, your daily commute could be transformed into a serene and scenic flight, offering breathtaking views of the cityscape and beyond. Picture yourself cruising above scenic landscapes with the freedom to travel directly to your destination without the constraints of traditional roads. This is not just a futuristic dream, it's becoming a reality. That's the promise of flying cars, also known as electric vertical takeoff and landing, or EVTOL aircraft. These innovative vehicles combine the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. How do they work? Electric motors and propellers allow for vertical takeoff and landing, eliminating the need for runways. Many models are being designed to be autonomous, making them accessible even without a pilot's license. Companies like Joby Aviation and Lilium are already testing flying taxi services with plans to launch commercially soon. The impact on our daily lives could be huge. Imagine shorter commutes where you can travel from one end of the city to the other in a fraction of the time it currently takes. Faster deliveries could become the norm, with packages arriving at your doorstep in record time. This could revolutionize the logistics industry, making same-day delivery a standard expectation rather than a premium service. And easier access to remote areas could open up new possibilities for travel and commerce. Imagine being able to reach a secluded mountain cabin or a distant island with ease without the need for long drives or ferry rides. Flying cars could revolutionize transportation as we know it, creating a future where the sky is no longer the limit, but a new frontier for exploration and innovation. The rise of flying cars is not just about convenience. It's about transforming the way we live, work, and connect with the world around us. Next, picture traveling at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour, comfortably gliding through near vacuum tubes. Imagine the sensation of floating, almost like flying, but within the confines of a sleek, futuristic pod. This is the Hyperloop, a revolutionary transportation system that promises to connect cities in record time. It's not just a concept, it's a glimpse into the future of travel. Here's how it works. Pods travel through tubes with extremely low air pressure, reducing friction and allowing for incredibly high speeds. This reduction in air resistance is key to achieving such remarkable velocities. Magnetic levitation further enhances speed and efficiency. By lifting the pod off the track, it eliminates contact friction, making the ride smoother and faster. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop and Hyperloop Transportation Technologies are working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. Their engineers and designers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The potential benefits are immense. Not only could it drastically cut travel times, but it could also reduce traffic congestion and lower carbon emissions. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. This would make daily commutes between distant cities a feasible reality. The Hyperloop could transform regional travel, making long distances feel like a short hop. It could redefine the concept of distance and proximity. This technology could reshape economies, connect communities, and revolutionize how we live and work. The Hyperloop isn't just about speed, it's about creating a more connected and efficient world. Section 4 Delivery Drones, Airborne Assistance in the Near Future. No more waiting for packages. Autonomous drones are poised to revolutionize delivery services. These unmanned aerial vehicles can navigate complex environments, delivering goods quickly and efficiently. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI, delivery drones can identify obstacles, plan routes, and safely deliver packages to your doorstep. Companies like Amazon and Google are already testing drone delivery programs, and their widespread adoption is just around the corner. The benefits extend beyond convenience. Drone delivery reduces traffic congestion, lowers emissions, and provides faster, more reliable service, particularly in remote areas. From groceries to medical supplies, these airborne assistants are set to transform the way we receive goods. Section 5, A Greener Path. Sustainability and the transportation revolution. As we embrace these futuristic transportation modes, sustainability remains paramount. The good news is that many of these technologies are inherently more environmentally friendly than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Electric flying cars and hyperloops produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and our carbon footprint. Delivery drones, by taking delivery trucks off the road, further contribute to cleaner air in our cities. Moreover, these technologies often rely on renewable energy sources, further minimizing their environmental impact. The transition to sustainable transportation is not just about new vehicles, it's about creating a cleaner, healthier planet for generations to come. Section 6. Reshaping Society, the Ripple Effects of Transportation Innovation. The impact of these transportation advancements extends far beyond just getting from point A to point B. They are not merely about speed or convenience, they are about fundamentally altering the fabric of our daily lives and the structure of our communities. They have the potential to reshape society in profound ways. Imagine a world where commuting long distances is no longer a burden, but a seamless part of daily life. Faster and more efficient transportation can unlock economic opportunities, connecting people to jobs, education, and healthcare in ways never before imagined. This connectivity can lead to more dynamic and inclusive economies. Remote work could become the norm as geographical barriers fade away. With advanced transportation, people can choose to live in more affordable or desirable locations without sacrificing job opportunities. The way we design cities could be transformed, with less need for parking spaces and sprawling suburbs. Urban planning can focus more on green spaces, community areas, and sustainable living. Moreover, these technologies can enhance safety and accessibility. Public transportation systems can be designed to be more inclusive, ensuring that everyone, regardless of physical ability, can travel with ease. Autonomous vehicles with their advanced sensors and safety features can reduce accidents caused by human error. This could lead to safer roads and fewer traffic-related fatalities. Flying cars and hyperloops can provide mobility solutions for people with disabilities, further promoting inclusivity and equal access for all. These innovations hold the promise of a future where transportation is not just a means to an end, but a catalyst for a more connected and equitable world. Section 7. Embracing the future of mobility. The future of transportation is a thrilling journey into a world of possibilities. Flying cars, hyperloops, and delivery drones are not just technological marvels, they are gateways to a more sustainable, connected, and prosperous future. As we stand on the cusp of this transportation revolution, it's our responsibility to embrace innovation, support sustainable solutions, and shape a future where transportation benefits everyone. Let's work together to build a world where getting around is not just about reaching a destination, but about experiencing the journey itself, in all its speed, efficiency, and wonder.